How to transfer money from Coinbase to Binance. First, on Binance, click on the Wallet button in the top right corner. Once the page loads, click on Deposit in the top right, then select Deposit Crypto. After that, choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, in this case Litecoin. You'll be asked to select the network. Make sure you choose the correct one. Litecoin network in this example, as sending on the wrong network could result in losing your crypto. Copy the address that appears. Now head to Coinbase. Click on Send Receive in the top right. Select Litecoin and enter the amount you want to send. Paste the Binance address in the recipient box and click on Preview Send. Always double-check the network to ensure it's correct. Once everything looks good, click Send. You might need to complete an authentication process. The transaction will usually take around 30 minutes, although it could be quicker. To check your balance, go back to the Binance wallet, and you should see the Litecoin deposited there. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.